One. Over 3 minutes. They come and say,
voices in the million tentem. You say, and no. Walid Nema collapsed after receiving punishment from Menzo and Tinkler. He was punished for dashing his training kit to a friend. And he, normal, Ekoso, Kotoko camp and so no. Elvis Chebai paid for the price for late arrival, shown the exit by Menzo. Inusah, Morfin Donzo, and Emmanuel Entry could be next to face Kotoko strict preseason discipline. Inti Tama, and also the FU number and send me Dikaka and paying 15 medics were at hand to help check players' fat level before they commence training. And Tinkler says he is happy with Hubejeu's skill set. And he was Hubejeu impressing me, Papa. Coach Nana Yaw Amankwa joins Mediama as Mediama reorganize their technical.
Mediama as assistant coach. For the portfolio,
assistant coach.
Yeah.
Assistant coach.
Yeah. Assistant coach to Tanko.
Information.
Oh, that is it.
He joined Mediama as assistant coach.
Yeah.
Okay. Me the information in the but yeah, boy Africa now. Never be catch say he's the head coach.
Mediama Africa in 2 years. Only get boy home Mobiana. Africa. Africa how many times they are able. About 4, 5 near we.
Solomon Agbasi in South Africa to sign a 2-year contract with yet to be named a South African Premier League club. And also later, sir. And so, by time my information, no, Agbasi has for no moon. That is say, Wakupi South Africa, Oko one has for no. And Omudu say, and the Obeba put my but you bet my culture has for Agbasi in South Africa. On so
now you cry now and grass and then cry now you don't
know. The house for him Nikon Bibia.
Okay.
Omu who she cry. And no pimple, I don't bet say on my put my oko.
Okay.
Oko.
Thank you.
And also, and on the time I no pay house for you could put my armed forces for the training, the players in physicals. Omo drill wo mo kakra. Nafi. Inside preseason
novel be a BCO.
Soldier for
BSC bebre. Oh yes.
Oh, me can see be a house for na dia ba.
Oh, me just obetimi a contact omo.
No, omo be am.
Omo training school no. First days at preseason no. To take them through.
And house akufa soldier for say omo training place no. Nti tama.
The work go be have a cover in South Africa by na. We are going out ban Obed. No kind of captain. Oh, me feeling it. Aye. We want to select crowd in the preseason debate. All right, captain.
Yeah, he said only Lena.
So
okay.
Me cite Elvis, Inusah and Menzo. Na omujina one place. Our training ground on. Inusah reported also. Menzo was also at the training ground this morning. Sorry, Donzo. Also at the training ground. And everything, I say I don't want to use the word sack. Players now cast on winning channel. Yes, I'm in way because me in court training ground. No me and Sano. Agent hoa or munka team training no. I want to bring the players now coach here say mun concha a best had almost no money training ground last week. It was highly report here. Says I'm in some way. No, they were not there when the team started. Animal, interested on your buy. Okay. So this 4 is there. He's there.
Oh, okay.
Until the DJ say he's there, and he's there. I've seen him.
So I catch he's there.
I've seen him training.
As a last week,
It's 4 win and
now I go.
Say you're 2 into.
Our video. Saturday was on the number group. You be asking to I got to the way.
South win and
One more social media. Take it on.
South no money report. Now, only say a Bimudiano, the way I also be a case different. For example, Oma Kama coach no that of football after. And yes, you say, me and you, yeah, preseason no more feature. So, Omati, say 2 of Sanipa 4 now. Last week, Omar report no. Kaba team 18 no more feature. I will come here so no more. Yes, they are out.
But so that's bad.
Yeah, they're playing football here.
That's bad.
It's I understand. They want to do investigations. And say, yes, they are pambos at Monko. But they want to put some measures in place. And they are. Next time, no, Obianya side, and I like the way
that can trust highway said or canon. Say, yeah, or Yanana. Libo Brana, a January.
Matisse, a Diana for an answer said, Tinidu. A Quadiana. And I say, Amon Conaso go.
I don't know near Amanani.
Our Baba. It was a board, or ya is Antonio Kuntu.
Oh, the players.
Our only disciples and
19 do the only year.
No come Chelsea last season.
Last so call.
Adriana so for your name call. It looks like one Omafa coach up to 2 Waje Ghana Premier League in the pen. And if Adriana target is to win the Ghana Premier League next season, at least with board, you know, the 2 will be Aibida. Chelsea and Adriana with the Mr. Mekam. Say Basse, young first can queer BBC here, not to say Chelsea phony. The those was Canini open.
Yeah. Adriana can pay more.
Aha, young first can queer Bibia, Adriana will do more. It's and your ma board do Hiano or Adriana no. Compared to last season, the no Hiano or Chelsea no, and Ubenya or Adriana. So what tears care quite Adriana team last season, the 2 any position of the other supporters in the crowd. So our teams in Zuko chair, once the crowd top of my supporters in you.
Yeah.
We CEO, we management member, we coach. You started here, yawa. Now started Ukrainian mouse, say, and I scare the money in a won't mean Yajuma. I think season where is seasonal. Atapukun the management, the 2. I want to be filled on my mind based on and your more a. I dare about Asante Kotoko, the 2. Ain't me entertaining beam in discipline. I dare about Kotoko, ain't me entertaining beam in discipline. Minim say Cheba for Emmanuel Entry and the other guy Inusah. When no absent, absent from the team preseason, almost start of the preseason. There was no communication from them to the technical team. Now the more indiscipline was to a course no one cry say commercial model be and obi enwo ke different o team ni ye preseason no mo nkoye no na musa mo gina ba bi na mo bobo be ma boda kanokro it is second division team kura no we take west ade we o second division team started preseason now we play about second division we the parks for so bobo na Kotoko menzo no ntitwi on it tinkla no se komu titwi a sa players we nyina mzo to so mo suspend wo
o ma anya preseason mbo
preseason be na mo
so they should give them
so
some
Obed say Uche look at the hype around him last season so the matches do those no boy we pray to my whole Inusah at the same time team started preseason ye training ma fefo ye training na mo sumu gina ba bi na mo sumu bobo
they kasachre
no omo did team ne kura tem they don't even respect Kotoko enye kasachre mizoto say bia na wo problem bi last year boy no mo boy no Zito coach Prince and Hamza the coach Kotoko me boa coach for Fraba hwe mamen kasem che mizoto obi ti say Uche obi ti say Inusah obi ti say Emmanuel Entry sika omogine wo Kotoko no me nya be 3 or 4 clubs for Ghana how beti atwa say Canada
we would do
what telephone
ne graduate to no for the age
on specific issues.
We are Boapayo.
Oh, that them to he 24.
Obu when there's a change of era it take time and zan what here nti they say no omo no omo nka say ne ma asesa bia another kito me pro bi on be ya adwen
no to ade no say kapi be wo say sia as I said immediately we be obi example mo bi ehun say baby e kono yen so nsem no so sa
izano bende
ese o dey say so chin correct one pa correct one nemu kono to we so we su a obi be yahu so obi aye wa anya no he
I'm the preseason also be a bill.
Don't say.
So I'm an any business here.
First of all, these are players that they even miss the medicals. Anyway, if you from music community, that should be the first punishment. What one say? Players na ebodin. When you are more of division 2 are yasuso no so area boy wa didi na yasuso no so no abakot kono aka say ohun bi do. We are talking about players who make 2 kwa abrochiraba. Wakwa amanoni aba into winning how professional run football no. Inusah we wafa trained we 2 kwa aba. So if you come back me catch us say ne date here medicals na wa amba. Na nunti it affects time starting preseason. Na want me amba ya. E football bi any homa. You are a grown player. Onikwa so be 2 for Cheba from to what to Kwayaba. A lot of hype around you. Your first 2 years have not been successful. I got 1 year contract. Coach Fufra, but this is the time you need to jump to the field and prove yourself to everybody that you are the man for the job. Nasaoba, now Obechichon, now I'm bantem. Now one example to the young guys. Now now show D na BB and Sia. Moto. Look at someone like Emmanuel Enji. At the young age, when you have a chance to come on no trials, and you're not answering the picture, be by not even junior money idea. This is a player. What me rise to that top, and now you come back to Kotoko, and these simple rules and regulations you cannot handle them. Mr. Two. Say we there say men's money everything clamot na honas almost so there. Now say the seed of indiscipline and no start to go soon, and they should be ready for that. Until when we assess your performance, there question marks for performance. Let
them listen and mo can say, and I know more here no more. Have them listen and go bium.
All right, Memphis has one. They are forced to announce their coach. The press and if you supporters want a banner.
Now, I don't know guy no my.
As to I don't know what I'm going to beat him actually.
Okay.
2. Mr. Joe.
About some graphics we have some
announce it. House I didn't let him. Announce board. They are board. They are forced because of the pressure. If you supporters want no banner. Oh, has look at the corner. Mr. Joe. Untimate start BBL. About ya na we to any day. To time Kotoko name we I think last 30 year Kotoko after the airwaves here. Kotoko media in last week somewhere in America say I think that Chema want to mean a baby tea. A baby Kotoko free trending stories in the Ghana.
What did they never hear?
Oh, say what was check you?
And I'm so
that was supposed to bail me out.
Oh, check you.
You're checking when he said I was only Chema want to media and buy.
Oh, check you.
And I check you. And I
you know. We go in check it.
I'll work with the team. Minimum check it.
Okay.
If I want to check it.
Oh, to that now.
So I'm surprised you telling me minimum check it. How can you tell me this?
My way drum back.
It's an indictment on
my batch on Mr. Match of Fatem. My patch on Mr. My patch of my patch. I withdraw. I apologize. Unreservedly. Yeah.
So to a couple are not trending stories. I Kotoko F taking the airway, taking every media, attention. House of supporters, no, a story. So they started say, and they will go all out. So the reason why I agree with them, they say, you will sack your coach before the World Cup, and promise for that in 2 weeks, Obed replace coach, So we are getting to almost 2 months because World Cup started on the 11th of June, February 19th. But now that I have to focus, Saki Didi. So at the end, Kuna House of Folk, empty more coaching, Emma. But for the kind of more and you know, our ha. But now cut the announcement that House of Folk team, no. ɛbɛyɛ kɛkɛ so ɔmo pressure na ɛba so na ɛsɛ ɔmo twe ɔmo fɛn sɛ if ɔmo furu so na ɔmo announce so now ɔmo announce aka nsɛm bebrebe ba ɔmo announce abira coach ni Ghana ha ɔmo asɛm ɔmo kan sɛ na ɔtwi mu coach no ɛbɛba before that players na regroup help mine ama so all the necessary medicals ɔmo go so ɔmo yɛ ebi edi kan yɛ ɔmo deɛ ana ɔmo start ɔmo preseason training no Ayipa any Sule are there and the goalkeepers trainer no abɛyɛ the former Black Stars coach Olede Ababe Town so according to her some a lot of appointments we are waiting for them na yɛ ho so na me hwɛ sade we Kotoko sacking every chamber for from the training grounds HSN ya pam say onkwa na say just a short term punishment be na yes na be free no because this is the player will contract with the club and I'm reporting them. Yes, I understand that there should be a disciplinary measures, but to throw him out from the training grounds. So no, Mabaka, what does that mean? Kotoko, a better person be training again in Amano.
Scaben. So we didn't do
the contract amount.
And Drew.
That's what maybe a question.
So go because you are late, and there's so
go because you are late.
And the club will call you again when we need you. We show signs of remorse so they can, and they say normal.
So how do you show the signs of remorse?
With my patcher, with my name, there are a lot of things you can do.
Okay. And I'm off online of other players. I'm moving some face the same. Raf from the technical director now. I think it's our advice on tone down kakra. The technical directorship name new coach.
Say I started preseason. My there's no reason why by
the reason do
some my reason or my reason which was not satisfactory. Mama munyo majuma na munya.
Oh, that you want to allow
them. Last year, last season, happy. The clarion call. Omuka Kotoko Assembly player was disciplined.
Oh, I'm not against it.
So allow them to.
I'm not against it. But how to manage it and massage it? No, I say
top professionals. They will deal with it.
So the two. Kind of.
Okay, so currently, let me say